Okay, so here is a quick demo of the new interview page for the Code Science recruiting app. The interviews are related to the applications, and so when I go to the application tab, I can see my recent applications. I'm going to select this one right here, as it already has several interviews associated with it. I'm going to walk through creating a new interview as well as editing an existing one or just simply viewing it. So when I click New Interview from the application, at the top of the page we've got a quick summary of the candidate information, which position they are applying for, their phone number, their email, their city and state, as well as a link that will take you back to the application. And this section, this is where the person who is interviewing will enter their details on their conversation with the candidate, as well as select their role. And the role has an associated list of tips that can be, we can easily add those and modify them. And then once they are done with the interview, they can select a rating as well as a thumbs up, thumbs down. So we can set that like that. The box down here is rich text, which you can see here, so we can put in all kinds of formatting, which is great. And down below, we have got all of the previous interviews that have the interview text over on the left-hand side, and then details about the interviewer on the right-hand side. Who did the interview, what their role was, their rating, and their thumbs up, thumbs down, as well as create date. This is sorted in descending order by create date. So we can again go back up here. I can bold it, italicize it, and indent it if I want to, and then I can save the record. And when I go back to the application, I can view the existing record that I had just created, or any of the other previous ones, and it shows the reviewer information as well as the guiding notes and the results of the interview, as well again as all the other interviews associated with this application. And I can lastly edit this interview and make changes to it if I want to change my mind. So we'll do that. So that's what we've got. Looking for some feedback and comments, and so we can get this into our org and get it up and running.